I'm going to do a small tour of our land. We are parked at the edge of Narshiman's land and Vijayalakshmi's land. There is a board which says the land beyond that has now been taken over by the army. And this small work we have done to allow water to flow through. And this is Vijayalakshmi's land. You can see the fencing. And we have done a lot of landfill here as the soil erosion is going and I'm going to do a small walk all the way through our land, and as we pass by I should be able to identify the land owned by each one of us. So we are still on Vijayalakshmi's land, and you can see this land goes a long way down, and you can see a path in front of us. This has been used by the villagers as a, what would I say, as a pass through, and this is what kind of caused the problem for us when we blocked the access. Some of them broke the fence. Now by next week we should have sorted out that issue. Now we are past Vijay's land, and the next one, I think this one is Venkatesh land. I'm not sure, it could be either Venkatesh or Narayan. And to the right is Narshiman's land, and to the left, as the crow flies, ECR is only about half a kilometer away. We are now past Venkatesh land, second in the line, and we are into Narayan's land. The soil here is kind of mixed. There's some amount of clay, some amount of lime. So if you want to do any cultivation, you'll have to do a bit of work. And you can see plenty of grass has grown over here, and this will need to be cleared. Now we are into the third. Now we've gone past Narayan's land. We are entering Mr. Punduswami's land. My description is kind of little, let's say, approximate. We have covered Punduswami's land. Now we are into Venkat Subbaya's land. Venkat Subbaya is fifth in the line, and we have gone past that. Now we are into Sridhar Anu's land. We've gone past Anu Sridhar's land, which is sixth in the line. We are now into Bovina and Kripa's land. You can see the fencing joining Narshiman's land at the back. You can see the fencing on the other side. This part of the land ends in a triangle. So the width of the land kind of shrinks as we go towards the end. We are now on the last piece of ownership, which is mine, and in order to lay the land, what we have done was to reduce the cost. Soil has been taken from my piece of land, so we used an earth mover. You can see the amount of soil that we have dug here, or we have taken out from this place, and we've taken quite a lot of sand from my land, which saved us a bit of money. We perhaps will continue to do that. We will be taking soil from everyone's land to lay the road inside our 8 pieces. Now we are coming to the end. This is where the villagers broke the fence in order to pass through. We should be patching up this place in a week's time. So I just walked you through all the 8 acres, through everyone's land, and yep, this is the end. And you can see the fence, you can see the fencing. This is the cement post, nearly 7.5 feet in height, with about 2 feet embedded into the ground and 5.5 feet sticking out. And this is the chain link fence, 3-inch in width, and so this pretty much is the tour of the entire land holding.